The KRAUS Stainless Steel 36 and Undermount Kitchen Sink, model KWU110-36, is designed to seamlessly integrate into a variety of kitchen styles while offering practical functionality for everyday use. This sink is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, which is known for its durability and resistance to corrosion and stains. At first glance, the KRAUS sink presents a sleek and modern aesthetic, enhancing the overall look of your kitchen. Its undermount design allows for easy cleaning, as there are no edges or seams to trap dirt and debris. This feature can be particularly beneficial in busy kitchens, where efficiency in cleaning is often essential. The sink measures 36 inches in width, providing ample space for a variety of kitchen tasks, from washing large pots and pans to handling food prep. One of the standout features of the KRAUS KWU110-36 is its heavy-duty construction. The sink is made from 16-gauge stainless steel, making it thicker and more durable than many standard sinks. This thickness not only contributes to the sink's longevity but also helps reduce noise while in use, an important consideration for those who appreciate a quieter kitchen environment. The sink is also designed with a brushed finish, which not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also helps to hide scratches and fingerprints. In terms of usability, the KRAUS sink is designed with a deep basin, allowing for larger items to fit comfortably without worrying about splashing water onto the countertop. This depth also provides a practical advantage when washing dishes or preparing food. The sink is equipped with a rear-set drain, which maximizes the bottom space and provides additional room for under-sink installations, a feature that can be particularly advantageous for those with garbage disposals or other plumbing systems in place. For installation, the KRAUS KWU110-36 fits standard cabinetry sizes, making it a compatible choice for many kitchen layouts. The undermount style requires precise measurements, but once installed, it delivers a clean and integrated look. In summary, the KRAUS Stainless Steel 36 and Undermount Kitchen Sink KWU110-36 offers a combination of durability, style, and practicality that can enhance any kitchen environment. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful design considerations make it a noteworthy option for homeowners looking to upgrade their kitchen sinks.